Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Uganda, in other terms, electronic visa or e-visa through their Uganda electronic visa permit application system. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would have to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, e-visa or electronic visas are becoming very popular nowadays and many countries are migrating to it. And it's good to see that even Uganda has this system. So in front of you, I have opened official Uganda e-immigration system website and you can see the steps. Step one is application type. Step two, fill the form, add documents, submit. It will also tell you the fee. So click on start new application. Accept terms and conditions. So the very first thing you're going to do here is to select what kind of visa you need. Entry permit, student pass, dependent pass, citizenship, certificate, special pass, visa. So for tourism, I select visa, then it asks you to select category. So I'm selecting Uganda ordinary tourist visa. Subcategory, you have like single entry. Now it has populated the document checklist. I mean, expected. It can vary. Like if you're going for tourism, you should have a return ticket. Same thing for family visit. If you're coming for medical reason, then you need a support document for that. If you're coming for conference, you need conference. So they have given you an idea that what exactly you need. Minimum size is 5 KB, maximum 250 KB, and these are the file formats they are going to accept. Fee is also given, and it's in USD. Next step. Here it is asking like, are you applying for a group? So if yes, then create a new group or use an existing group. If not, you can skip it. You don't have to answer. Personal details, very simple: name, last name, date of birth, gender, marital status, current nationality. Now, if your country is not listed above, please check and verify that you need the visa or permit requested. So check it. If I select Canada, it's listed. I don't have to. It's asking about dual citizenship. I select no. If you provide yes, it will ask you more questions. Then place of birth information, immigration status in the country of residence, country of residence, city, all information they have asked. Then passport details, basic details they have asked. Do you have children endorsed on your passport accompanying you? It depends upon your situation. Other data, address in Uganda, like even hotel. So if you're going to stay at a hotel, you can provide hotel. If you have not like travel history, list last 5 countries or less you visited, or none if no countries were visited. So you, as per your situation, purpose of your travel. So you do have tourism here, date of arrival, port. You want to have your visa personalized, where you're gonna enter. Duration stay requested. Now, have you ever been denied a visa before? Have you ever been deported before? Have you been convicted in any country? And a criminal proceeding against you, or suffering from any mental illness? Whatever is applicable, you're gonna select. Okay. And then once you confirm, you go to the next step where you upload the documents, and before you submit, you're gonna pay the fee. So that's how it is, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this video. And once approved, you're gonna get the notification that you can bring to the port of entry, and the officer is gonna work on your case. And if the officer is satisfied, then you may be granted entry. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.